It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. Where we're going to begin today is we're going to be removing all of this plywood, this remaining plywood from this skin that makes up the transom of this 1972 classic 20-foot Seacraft. And I think I'm going to get Brian Farrell to suit up in order to remove this plywood. We also need to cut back these stringers a little bit so that we have complete access to the perimeter of this transom, because we need to use door skin template material right here, just little strips of door skin, and with a hot glue gun we're going to be making and forming this perimeter, this pattern for our new core material that we're going to be installing today on the transom. We're going to show you how to do that. Well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. Literally, we are going to be coast to coast today in the episode. We're going to be here in Jupiter, Florida at the boat shop, the new boat shop. We're also going to be in Spokane, Washington at a company called Contemporary Fiberglass and Marine, as well as Contemporary Marine Flooring. We're going to show you how a lot of companies out in the Pacific Northwest and nationally have gotten involved on a restoration of a really nice little bow runner, an older Sea Ray that they have made practically brand new. And they're doing it for a charity. They're going to be raffling it off, and I think the raffle tickets are like $25. But you're going to be seeing some amazing custom fiberglass work with swim platforms today. You're going to be seeing some awesome sea deck on the boat. And of course, we're going to be showing you how to rebuild a transom. But where we need to begin, like always, is we have to give kudos to all the great companies in the marine industry who fund this show and make it possible.